Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited about today's video. We're gonna be doing a Vuori try on haul, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that this brand is relatively new to me. I got the chance to work with them last month, but I fell in love with everything that I got from the brand. I went ahead and I purchased some more pieces because everything is so cozy and so high quality. If you guys are not familiar with the brand Vuori, it's a lot like Lululemon. This video is not sponsored by Vuori. I genuinely just wanted to show you guys the pieces that I ordered, but if you happen to be new here, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box along with the sizes that I got. I am 5'2", just for reference. I'll also have all of the accessories and anything featured in this video in the description box, but let's go ahead and get into it. Starting off with these pants, you guys, I have found the most incredible athletic material tailored pant. These ones are a crop length, so if you are 5'2", 5'3", I would say even like 5'5", these are such a good length, especially on me. I love where they hit on my ankle. These are so amazing though. They feel like a pair of athletic pants. Like they have this almost like moisture wicking material feel to them, but they look so nice. They look like a tailored pant. They have this seam down the front of them, and I just seriously love everything about them. They're so comfortable on. They have decent stretch to them too, so I just feel like these are the type of pants that you could dress up or dress down if you go into the office. These are the perfect work pant. You could wear them with a really nice leather sneaker. You could also wear them with a loafer. I feel like definitely you could wear this with any sort of button up or oversized sweater or a sweatshirt. I feel like that's what's so great about these pants specifically, is that they look really, really nice, but when you start to feel them, they're more of like an activewear material. So really loved these. I love that these activewear brands have been releasing these more elevated styles like tailored pants and tailored shorts. I saw Vuori also had a pair of tailored shorts, but figured with summer being over, I decided not to get those. But I did purchase these and I am 100% keeping these. I'm obsessed. I got them in the espresso, this like beautiful chocolate brown. Believe it or not, this is not black. It's showing up on camera a little bit more like a black, but I have no complaints. The fit is amazing, the style is amazing. I love where they hit on my waist. I love how flattering they are, the pockets, everything about them. If you are on the fence about these, if you've already seen these on the site, I'm just gonna say go ahead and get them because they are amazing. Paired with those cropped pants, I have on this t-shirt from Vuori, and this is one of those pieces that I feel like is really underrated because when you look at it, you're like, it's just a t-shirt. What's so special about that? Why is it priced the way that it is? And you guys, like this t-shirt is the most incredible fit. You can just tell, like when I put this thing on, it just fits everywhere so nicely. I love the way that it fits in the arms, in the shoulders, in the armpits, and then also around the body. Like it's just such a good baby tee style. Also, I love the color, and Vuori's fabrics are really, really incredible. Like everything that I'm gonna show you guys, I wish you could feel in person, because if you could feel all these pieces, you would understand the hype about Vuori. It took me feeling everything in person to like understand why this brand kind of blew up, but I am obsessed with this t-shirt. It looks good with jeans, it looks good with a tailored pant, it looks good with leggings, it looks good with sweatpants. Like this is just such a good basic, and again, the quality is just amazing. Layered over that outfit, I've got on this new jacket, and I kept tracking my order. I have been wanting this jacket ever since I worked with Vuori last month. I've just like had my eye on their site, and specifically on this jacket. I knew it would be worth the splurge, and it's so amazing, you guys. Their Sherpa is softer than most Sherpas that I have felt. Like the actual outside of the jacket is this gorgeous Sherpa. It's very, very textured, but it's so soft. And what I really love about this jacket specifically is you would think a shirt jacket like this would be really structured and almost bulky, but I don't know, something about the way that they constructed it, it just sort of drapes over the shoulders really well, and I don't feel like it adds a lot of bulk to the outfit. So I love the way that they made this jacket. Also, I want to note that the inside is even softer than the outside. The inside is actually so incredibly soft. So if you do wear it with any sort of like short sleeve or tank or over even like an activewear dress, it's so cozy. I cannot hype this up enough. I think it also comes in green or cream. Comes in another color, I know that. It was a no-brainer. I had to get the brown, obviously. I don't even need to explain to you guys why I got the brown. It's just so It's so good. Next up are a new style of jogger. So I have a couple styles of joggers that I'm gonna show you guys that I used to style up some other outfits, but these ones are new to me. These are the boyfriend jogger, and these ones are a little bit more slouchy and they're a little longer than the performance jogger. If you are familiar with Vuori, you know that other jogger. But these ones are, like I said, a little bit longer, a little bit more baggy, a little bit more cool girl style, and I love wearing these with like long slouchy socks and just like a mule. You could also obviously wear them with a sneaker, but just a really, really great pair of joggers. What I love about these though is that they are incredibly soft. So they're as soft as like a fleece jogger, but they are not nearly as thick. So if you live in the South and fleece joggers can be a little warm, especially like early fall, these are perfect. And just holding these up doesn't really do anything for the piece, if I'm being honest, but if you could feel these in person, you would understand why I'm so obsessed with this brand. Like, these fabrics are insane. Like, the softest, most buttery fabrics ever, and I just want to lounge in these all day. Next up is another basic, but their fits are just so good. I love this long sleeve tee. If you're looking for a really good fitted long sleeve that's so flattering, this is amazing. It's just a crew neck, but what's really great about this top is that it has this almost like gathering down the side, which just kind of hugs in at your waist. It's just so cute and so flattering on. Also, I love the fact that it has the gathering along the side, so it almost like bunches up in the front, but not in a bad way, as in like a cool girl kind of relaxed style. It's long sleeve, it's very fitted, so it pairs really well underneath jackets or hoodies if you want to layer it. But again, these fabrics are just so good. If you guys are already fans of Vuori, just go ahead and like let everybody know in the comments that I'm not exaggerating. Like, these fabrics are actually incredible, because I feel like if you're not familiar with the brand, you haven't felt them, you're like, this girl, why is she hyping these up? They're just a pair of sweatpants and a long sleeve tee, but like, so amazing. Next up is one of their zip up hoodies, and this actually reminded me a lot of the scuba zip from Lululemon. The only thing about this one is that there's no pockets in the front, and I will say the weight of this one feels like a little bit heavier than the scuba. It's very similar as far as like the inside, and the actual fit is pretty similar. So I definitely feel like this is pretty comparable to the scuba, but you know, I had to try out one of their hoodies and also just see, you know, how it compares to Lululemon. I will say it's like very on par with Lululemon. There's not like a big noticeable difference, I would say. The only thing is that Lululemon definitely just has this style of jacket in a lot more colors. They always release them year after year with so many new colors. So they definitely are more limited on colors, but the actual like jacket itself, just as soft, a little bit thicker, I would say, but a really good fit. I really like this, no complaints. Next up are a pair of cargo joggers, and if you've been around on my channel the last month or so, you've definitely seen these because I love them. They're so cozy, and these ones are, again, a little bit longer, so these ones hit kind of top of my foot, and they look so good with scrunched up socks, again with a cute sneaker. These ones are really, really soft. I also love the fact that they have the cargo pocket, and they're just a really good fit. Paired with those joggers, I've got on this long sleeve crew neck, and this one is more of a long sleeve tee, I would say. It's definitely not as fitted, and it has room in the arms and in the body, so it's not as snug, but it's so soft and comfy. I wouldn't say it's like a sweatshirt. It really is like a long sleeve tee. It's super thin, really, really soft, but it works really well paired underneath jackets too. It also is a little bit longer than that gray top as well. This jacket, you guys, is so incredible. It's a puffer style, and it's just so sleek. The actual design of this jacket is beautiful. I love the high neck on it. It's almost like a turtleneck jacket. It's this really beautiful off-white color. I love that the zipper is the same color as the jacket. It's got 2 pockets in the front, and it's just a really good weight. So it's not super, super thick and bulky, but it's really warm, and I like the fit of it because it layers over bulkier items. So you could definitely pair this jacket over that zip up. It's just a really good kind of loose fit. Next up are these joggers. These are the performance jogger, and these ones are pretty cropped, so you can see that they kind of hit above my ankles. So especially if you are like 5'2" and under, these will be a really great length for you. I would definitely say if you are taller that they're gonna be pretty short. They're very cropped, but I really like these with a great pair of sneakers. They are a little bit more fitted as well throughout the legs and the thighs. They just are more of a slim fit jogger. I got them in this really pretty brown color, same fabric. This is the dream knit fabric, which basically describes it. It's a dream. Paired with those joggers, I've got on this button up long sleeve tee, and this is, again, such a soft piece. I love the way this fits though, through the arms and the body. It's got buttons all the way down the front. It looks really cute too if you're wearing a pair of high-waisted bottoms to leave the bottom button unbuttoned, and then also like leave the top button unbuttoned. But it's super cozy. It's great for layering because it's so fitted, and I loved this color. I think it comes in maybe 3 or 4 other colors, but it's just a really gorgeous piece. I feel like all of these are basically just like luxurious loungewear pieces. And then this jacket is probably my most worn Vuori piece because it's so easy to throw on and it's so cozy. So this is another one of their Sherpa pieces. But this one is more of a casual piece, I would say, than the chore jacket or shirt jacket that I showed you guys in brown. This one is a zip up style, and I love wearing this over active wear. It's just so cozy. I love the off-white, this like really pretty cream. It's soft on the outside, super soft on the inside. It's got pockets, and it's just a really great throw-on jacket that still feels very like high-end. I got lots of compliments actually on this jacket the last time I wore it. It's a great jacket. I really love it, and I feel like this is kind of what sparked my interest in the brand in general. But those are all of my pieces from this Vuori haul. I clearly am obsessed with all of these like loungewear pieces. I haven't tried their actual like activewear yet. I still, like, if I'm being honest, really lean towards Lululemon for like activewear, but all of their lounge stuff is just the coziest. So if you guys are looking to up your cozy game for fall and winter, definitely check out Vuori. I'll have all this stuff, like I said, linked down below in the description box if you're interested. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know this is a new brand to my channel, but I really wanted to share because obviously I have collected quite a few pieces, and I thought it'd be fun to do a kind of overview of everything that I have. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment and subscribe if you are new here. I'd love to have you back on my channel. I'll see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.